Class, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, you click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, you just click here on appearance. When you just click on appearance here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you come here to show play buttons on card switch audio. Clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here show play buttons on card switch audio. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.